Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Tricky stars will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons.
Jack, please, I'm only an elected official here. I can't make decisions by myself.
Hey guys, it's Blaize, and as you can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a very simple my go-to fall eyeshadow look. Yes. I got a PR package from JUNO & Co. the other day, and they sent me along with another sponge because I am going to be doing a video for a contest that they are holding with that. They did send me this eyeshadow palette. This is the Gold Luster eyeshadow palette from Prism Makeup. And I wanted to do a first impression with you guys and do a very simple, easy go-to fall look for people who are like me, not great at makeup, but still obsessed with makeup. Yes, before I get into the review and demo and all of that good stuff, please make sure to go down below and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to this channel right now and become a Blaizer and a part of the Blaize Nation. We'd love to have you here as long as you're as wicked as we are. And don't forget, I have at least one free monthly giveaway on my channel, 100% free, not sponsored, no catch. It goes from my pocket and gives directly to you. Here are all my social medias. Please make sure to go and follow me on my social medias and be social with me on medias. Let's get into the palette and the look. So I will do swatches at the end. So as I said, this is the Gold Luster eyeshadow palette from Prism Makeup. The packaging feels like the Anastasia packaging for the unicarton and everything, where it feels almost rubbery. This retails for $12, but JUNO & Co. has it on their site for $10, and I have a code with JUNO & Co. I always have it linked down below, but it's code Kaylee. Again, I don't know who Kaylee is, but she's an awesome biatch for letting us use her name for a code, because you get 10% off your purchase when you use my code. So if you want to go ahead and pick this up, or their sponges, this and the Real Technique sponges are my go-to. They are my ride or die. They are amazing sponges. And this palette, I've already swatched 2 of them. The formula, legit, the best formula I've ever felt in my life. It is, you barely have to touch it to get full pigmentation. They are buttery soft. They perform like high-end quality. It says here it has a 12-month shelf life, but it also right here has an expiration date, and it says expires 7/8/2021. So there's that. So when you take the unicarton off, excuse me, the palette looks exactly the same. And we have an eyeshadow condom. It has a mirror up here, and these are the gorgeous shadows that come in this palette. You've got some mattes, some shimmers, some neutrals, some smoky, and it's a perfect palette for fall time. So let's go ahead and do a look, and I will do swatches at the end, like I said. So I'm going to start off with the shade Lush, which is this color right here. It is a nice beigey color, and I'm going to pop that in the crease and start that as our base transition color. Ooh, this is a pretty color. Look at that. Oh, so gorgeous. It's like a nice pumpkin spice color. These shadows blend out effortlessly. I love them. So let's see. Let's take now the shade Crush, which is this color right here, and we're going to lightly start building up the color in the crease. I'm going to put that on top. Look at this. I barely touched it. The pigment in these shadows is just amazing and gorgeous, and everything I look for in shadows. Now I'm going to take a different blending brush. This is actually my favorite blending brush. This is the blending brush from Bamboo Naturals. I got this in a set a couple years ago from Walmart. I don't know. But I'm going to take the shade Crimson right here, and I'm going to build that in the outer V and blend that a little bit into the crease, but not fully. So I will show you right here. Oh my goodness. Okay, these eyeshadows are almost too pigmented. Look at this already. I am obsessed. So I don't know if you'd necessarily call this cutting the crease, but I'm going to take my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk and I'm going to lay down a base for the next color because I want to do a shimmery color and I want it to pop really well. So I'm going to cover the rest of my lid with this so the shadows pop a bit more. I think I'm going to go with the shade Glisten, which is this shimmery gold right here on a shader brush. Oh, that shadow is beautiful. And I'm going to place that everywhere I put the NYX pencil in Milk. Oh, that is such a gorgeous gold shimmery color. I'm going to take a clean blending brush. This is the AOA Studio E136 and I'm just going to blend out everything together and make it look a little neater and smoother. I'm going to take the first shade, which is Bayonet. I don't know how you pronounce that, but it's this off-white, almost white mauve color on a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to use that for the brow bone. I'm going to go ahead and do some liquid eyeliner, some liner in my waterline and some mascara, and I'll be right back.
12 seconds later.
And we're back. I forgot I'm not putting on mascara yet because I'm not done. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my smudger brush. Where are you, smudger brush? Hello. Go ahead with the shade Sienna, which is this color right here, and I'm going to put that and smoke that out under the lash line right here. Ah, this is a gorgeous shade. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead with the shade Glimmer, this really pretty shimmery shade, and I'm going to pop that in the inner corner right here. This gets a million Wicked Little Devils, but since we only go up to 5, it gets 5 Wicked Little Devils. This is going to be one of my new go-to palettes. This is one of the best, formula-wise, color-wise, everything-wise. This was so simple and so quick to do and so freaking easy to do. This is one of the top best palettes I've ever used in my life, and I can't believe it's only $10. This is some high-end quality shit. Seriously, I'm not trying to hawk this to you or oversell this. This is one of the best, the top 3 best shadow palettes I've ever used, including some of my higher end ones that don't even come close to this. The few high-end ones that I have, which is like 2 or 3. Video is not sponsored. They are not paying me to review this. They're not paying me to say anything good about the palette or their site, but please, I'm begging you, you will not be disappointed. Go pick this up and make sure to use my code. Again, it's not sponsored. I did get sent this for free for PR to review, but they're not paying me to say anything good about it. But this is an amazing palette, especially for the fall, and for the price. You can't go wrong with this palette. If you pick this up, please let me know, contact me, and let me know how you're loving it, because I know you will. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you liked this video, please make sure to give it a big old thumbs up, and again, don't forget to go down below and subscribe. I know my hair looks like a mess. It did not curl well, and well, you know, that's my life. Hope you guys are having a wonderful October and a wonderful day, and I will speak to you guys soon. And until next time, my beautiful ones, stay wicked.
Boys and girls